Might want to turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. What's going on? What's going on?
It'll be all about that yam bankroll. Gonna make that money back. Put it on the low. Gonna be your boss. And I'm gonna make that. Gonna get them beats up there. Keeping them softly, seeping up through my soul. And sleeping ain't good to go now. When I'm on those, I never watch the dough. You know I'm just stuck there sleeping under the thumbs. I get all sweet. With a trail of talk and chill. Feel every smell. One of these 7 minutes to repair. 12 years. This 47 spring. Little respect given now. Put them up in the grave. When I start stuck all up in ya. But all the real niggas pop up top to the sound of the ground. And I'm up to kill you. So what's good? How y'all doing?
Let's go. Let's go.
I love you in a place so good. There's no spend some time. I love you one life. You're a friend. When my war's over, remember when we were together. Whatever they want, they know they got to grab at her. Say they go back and ready, attack and ready for combat her. Whenever they need it, beat it, need it, get it, see it, get it, you don't get it misunderstood. My lonely, walking here, we talk at the show. And I'm beginning with the end, with forgiveness on my little word, man. How can I be worthy? Oh, when I feel so damn dirty. Walking in on that weed check, baby ain't weed yet. And if I can't in nicotine, notice I left out the green. Notice that now I'm on the set. Who's that? F-kid. I don't even know the trick. I don't even know. X-Men, a flex man, flex on Dex man, chest for the best. Quiet as kept. I said now X-Men, a flex man, flex on Dex and chest man.